Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to add background music to Instagram reel. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for how to add background music in your Instagram reel. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to open your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram application, you need to click here this plus icon and then let me open a clips. For example, I would like to share this clip, so I'm going to choose share these clips and then I'm going to click here next, and then it's going to appear. Here is my video clips and I would like to add a background music. So what I have to do, I have to use this music icon. After I click this music icon, we'll see it's going to appear just like this. From here there is a bunch of music preloaded by Instagram. You can easily choose any of them. There is some for you music, or if you would like to choose a trending music you can choose, or if you like to choose the original audio you can just let me go jump over the trending and let me choose this music, and then I'm going to click here this next, and then it's going to appear here. We will see this the video clips, and you can easily choose where you would like to the music should be appear. And actually this is a 16 second clips, and the video this music might be more larger, so you can choose which particular area you would like to add the music in your clip. And also you can do some other professional things. You can add a text with the music, so whatever music is there, that's going to appear the text. If you don't want, you can disable the text, or if you would, you can add. And then you can choose here let me choose this text. Okay, let me choose this one. Okay, and then let me click here done, and then if you like to reduce the volume, you can do so. You can click here edit video, and then you can choose the clips, and then if you click here volume, you can make this volume little less to make it more professional, and then you can make it here done, and then click here next. So this is how you can easily add a background music in your Instagram reel. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you in next one. Peace.